Hello everybody, I'm Lubnan, an English teacher. I'm going to explain passive voice, when to use it, and how to formulate it. But before we start, let's watch this video about a woman who was stolen by a guy. If you noticed, the guy tried to distract the woman, and he was trying to steal her purse. This time, he distracted her, he stole her purse, and then he ran away. My question is, did this woman know who stole her purse? Let's read these two sentences to know what I'm talking about. Sentence number 1. The thief stole her purse. Did she know who stole her purse? Yes, the thief. So this one is called an active sentence. Why? Because I use active voice. When to use active voice? Active voice is used to place emphasis on the subject. Sentence number 2. Her purse was stolen. Did she know who stole her purse? No. So this one is called passive sentence. I use passive voice. When to use passive voice? Passive voice is used to place emphasis on the action itself. Also, it is used when we do not know or cannot express who or what performed the action. Now, how to formulate the passive voice? We can formulate passive voice in 3 steps. Step number 1. Put the object at the beginning of your sentence. Number 2. Conjugate the verb to be in the same tense as the active sentence. Number 3. Put the main verb in the past participle. Let's read these sentences. My brother ate my sandwich. Who ate my sandwich? My brother. So my brother is the subject. Did what? Ate. So ate is the verb. What did he eat? My sandwich. So my sandwich is the object. How to know the subject? I ask by who. How to know the object? I ask by whom or what. Let's read the other sentence. My sandwich was eaten by my brother. So this one is a passive sentence because I use passive voice. How did I change the active one into a passive one? First, I moved the object to be as a subject in the passive sentence. Then, I added verb to be, which is was. I used was in simple past tense because ate is in simple past tense. Then, I added past participle for the verb eat. So, my sandwich is the subject, was is the verb, and eaten is past participle. We should add by and the agent if necessary. Note: some sentences do not have an object, so we cannot change them into passive voice. Example: my cousin lives in Beirut. Who lives in Beirut? My cousin. Does what? Lives. What lives? Whom lives? I have no answer. That means I don't have any object. That means I can change this one into active voice, into passive voice. More examples. People need soap. Who needs soap? People. What do they need? Soap. So people is the subject and soap is the object. Again, I moved the object to the beginning of the sentence to be as a subject. Then I add verb to be, this time is, because I use simple present tense in the active sentence. Needed is the past participle form of the verb need. Also, I added by and the agent. Soap is the subject of the passive sentence. Is verb to be. Needed is past participle. Just a remark. Subject is the doer of the action. The verb is the action itself. The object is the noun or pronoun that the verb falls on. Now we have some rules. You should study them by heart. Simple present, am, is, are plus past participle. Simple past, was, were plus past participle. Present continuous, am, is, are plus being plus past participle. Past continuous, was, were plus being plus past participle. Simple future, will plus be plus past participle. Future be going to plus be plus past participle. Present perfect, have or has plus been plus past participle. Past perfect, had been plus past participle. Modals, I mentioned some, can, could, would, must, might, plus be plus past participle. Let's have some examples. Simple present tense. She delivers the letters. The letters are delivered. First of all, I moved letters to the beginning. Then I added verb to be, this time are, because this is simple present tense. Delivered is the past participle form of the verb deliver. Why are not is? Because letters is in plural form. Simple past tense. She delivered the letters. The letters were delivered. The same. I moved letters to the beginning. Were is verb to be, then delivered is the past participle. Why were not was? Because letters is in plural form. Why were not is or are? Because I used simple past tense. Present continuous. She is delivering the letters. The letters are being delivered. Past continuous. She was delivering the letters. The letters were being delivered. Simple future tense. She will deliver the letters. The letters will be delivered. Future be going to. She is going to deliver the letters. The letters are going to be delivered. Present perfect. She has delivered the letters. The letters have been delivered. Why have not has? Because letters is in plural form. Past perfect. She had delivered the letters. The letters had been delivered. Modals. She must deliver the letters. Must is one of the modals. The letters must be delivered. Now let's watch this song.
I sing a song, the song is sung by me. You play the song is played by you. He plays the drums are played by him. She sings the song is sung by her. La 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 la. Song is sung by him. We sing the song is sung by us.
After listening to this song, you will rewrite the sentences in passive voice. Number 1, I can answer the question. 2, she would carry the box. 3, you should open the window. 4, we played cards. 5, he washes the car. 6, he has filled in the form. 7, they are going to buy bread. 8, he was reading the sentence. 9, the teacher is testing our English. Number 10, could Jenny lock the door? You will have the answers at the end of this video. These are the answers. Thanks for watching. Good night.